But I'm in love with this one. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all well. So today we're finally gonna open the DJI Pocket number 2. Regalo sa akin ni Jeremy. Are you guys ready? Warranty. For the tripod. Mini control stick. Ang ganda. Namoy. Okay. One more. This one is for Android. Book. Android. Okay, so we've finished unboxing the DJI. So now I'm gonna take off all these. Oh my gosh. Okay, come closer. So it has a protective plastic para di siya magasgasan siguro. Pero tatanggalin na natin siya. Remove before power on. This is the power button. Kita nyo? Oh my gosh. So far, looks so good. Look how tiny it is. So compact. Look. Di ka mangangalay mag-vlog. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Kakaririn na natin tong pag-vlog na to dahil kung ano-ano nang binili natin. Thank you ulit kay Jeremy. Sponsor dito sa camera. Oh, very nice. So, papatay muna natin. Ganun siya pagpatay. Just press this one and then babalik na siya sa gantong position. So, it's easy to put back. Dali lang, ganun lang. So that's it. That's my unboxing for DJI Pocket 2. See you guys on my next vlog when I use this one already. Bye.